Hold on. Let me bring them out.
This, all right, this is the people versus Raeigen, ticket number X4046696, count one, no operators license / multiple ops, no ops, and count two, illegal window tint. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Cherokee.
Your Honor, Pauline Cherokee, on behalf of Mr. Raeigen.
Reed Reagan.
Your Honor, this matter is set for trial today. The officer has not appeared. I move for dismissal.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Mr. Raeigen. Good luck to you, sir.
All right, thank you.
This is the people versus Infinity Robertson. Ticket number SP 961370. Count one, driver's license never acquired. Ticket number 2044747. Count one, driver license suspended. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P114317. That's in the fall. I'm sorry. Excuse me. Ticket number 160454600. Count one, failure to stop after collision. That is in review. Oh, never mind. Ticket number 194866495. Count one, driver license suspended. Ticket number P113179. Count one, drove a license not valid or improper license. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Count three, driving a registered or entitled vehicle. And and ticket number 1622137. Count one, interfere with government employee performing their duty. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Cherokee.
Your Honor, Pauline Cherokee, on behalf of Ms. Robertson.
Say your name, ma'am.
Infinity Robertson.
There are some officers, Your Honor.
Thank you. Trooper Kane, can you say your name?
Trooper Michael Kane.
Trooper Beckham didn't come out.
Let's see if Trooper Beckham will say his name. Corporal Beckham, can you say your name for the record, sir?
Corporal Beckham,
Thank you. Oh, your badge number?
3798.
Thank you. All right, how do you plan to proceed, Mr. Cherokee?
Your Honor, the people have made an offer to my client. She wishes to avail herself of the same. She plead to one amended count to fail to display a valid license and one amended count to impeding traffic civil infraction. She's waiving her rights.
All right, raise your right hand. Raise your right hand, Ms. Robertson. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
Okay, you put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to me today in private about your case and your rights.
Yes, ma'am.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea?
No, ma'am.
You're pleading on your own free will?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to direct your attention to June May 20th, 2016 at 7 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Chandler Park Canyon in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Did you interfere with a government employee performing their duties?
Your Honor, I'm
Yes,
sorry, that is
ma'am.
that's not the most recent offer. Ms. Cole prepared another offer where my client would plead to fail display veil license and impeding traffic. She's just missing 16-221-3741. I can email this to the court.
Case number 16, what?
What, so, I'm sorry, so what's the offer?
The offer is she'd plead to one count of impeding traffic on the 16-454-6001. 16-221-3741 would be dismissed, and 16-04-54-600 would be amended to fail to display. And I just emailed that to Lewis.
You're asking for 160-454-6001 to be the default to be set aside.
Yes, Your Honor.
I think that's the default, if I'm not mistaken. She's. She's already made a mission. Let me make sure. I think she's already been making payments on this.
Yes.
I'm just looking at the offer from Miss Cole. I don't have the ticket, so I don't really know what to say.
I've been, it's like, maybe,
She's already dealt with this.
Is that the impeding, Your Honor?
Failure, yes, the failure to stop after collision.
Right.
This is like in review or something. She's been making payments on it.
Okay, so then it leaves us with one count of failed to display that she's pleading to. And your clerk should have the recommendation at this point, because I sent it to him.
I have it, but
Oh,
Was she supposed to finish paying on that by now?
I just saw that
Which one? Communicate.
right here. So the interview with government employee, that's also in review. She made admissions to that on May 1st.
This needs to close out.
oh, I don't know what to say.
I think these state tickets, I think they may need to be closed out, so. Okay, so,
Oh, 360 something.
okay, she still owes money on the other ticket. All right, so I'm just dealing with P1143-179, is that correct?
I would submit all the other, yeah, I guess all the other officers haven't appeared. I don't know, she has it as 16-04-54-6001. Is that one resolved? That's the one she wants a plea on.
Say that again?
16-04-54,
She already pled on that one. She pled on that one.
so then all the other tickets should be no POs.
And which one is Corporal Beckham? Which one are you here for?
Corporal Beckham, let me see the docket. He's here on SP 9613701.
All right, that's driver's license never acquired.
I don't know what Ms. Cole. So I guess we have two officers with two no license violations. So I'm gonna ask the court to allow her to plead to one and dismiss one. And that should clear everything.
They be okay, are you okay with that? Corporal
Will it
Becker?
affect, like, will they give, I'm sorry.
Trooper Kane and Corporal Beckham, are you okay with that?
Yes, Your Honor. It sounds like my thing was just for review anyway, so I don't know if this even applies to me.
Oh, so that's only one ticket then. It would be
Alright.
Officer Beckham.
It would be this one here. Okay, so I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of December 31st, 2018 at 9:32 p.m. On that date and time, were you at near East Outer Drive, Reiner in the city of Detroit?
Yes,
You were driving 2006 Ford vehicle?
yes,
Had you never acquired a driver's license?
yes, ma'am.
Satisfied, Ms. Roki?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
As the minutes have failed to display and you stipulate the proper, well, you don't have to stipulate. I think the other one, the officers have failed to appear, so you're motioning for those to be dismissed.
To dismiss those matters, Your Honor.
They're dismissed without prejudice. And we'll proceed to sentencing. There's a fine of $200. Can you have it paid by October 20th?
I'm sorry, Judge, I didn't hear you clearly.
There's a fine of $200. Can you have it paid by October 20th?
October 20th, yes, ma'am.
So you still owe $386.
Well, she was supposed to. do
I
community
paid
service.
that.
No, you know what? No, I'm sorry. You were supposed to do 42 hours of community service in lieu of the $386 that you owe for this 2018 or 16 offense. But this was in 2018 when you were supposed to do the 42 hours of community service. Have you done it?
No, ma'am, I haven't.
Okay, so I'm gonna give you a phone number.
You gonna need to give me a phone number. Am I able to just pay the $400 or do I have to do the community service?
Well, you asked for it, but are you saying now that you want to just pay it?
Yes, ma'am. I didn't have the money at the time those years ago.
So it's $386 that you owe.
Yes, ma'am. And then an extra $200 for the ticket I just plead to today.
You have $386.
I'm sorry. Is that all together?
It's gonna be 386 plus 200, so you got
Yes,
586.
586. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
All due before October 20th.
Yeah, and that's, in fact, that's gonna be your next day, because I need you to make sure, I need to make sure that you paid this. So can you have it paid by then, or did you need more time?
Yes, ma'am. I could pay it by then.
So come back on, October 20th at 8:35.
Come to court.
Yes, ma'am. I need to
Yes,
make sure
ma'am.
that-
Okay, can I ask, am I done with tickets for Detroit after this?
One second.
Yeah, it must be true.
All right, so. This one is closed out, right? So can let me get rid of this.
No, I got it closed out.
Oh, you said that closed out? Okay.
Yeah, it's still showing.
Let me just close it out.
Paid in full close out.
So one of them you've already paid. Say. And then I think the rest of these are dismissed. You do have a ticket that is in default that you'll probably have to pay. From 2020, you have a ticket that's in default.
Okay,
I can tell you how much you owe.
okay.
Well, $204 on that one. So that's probably gonna prevent you from getting your license back. You need to make sure you pay that one. Well,
The one for $204?
yeah, it's a speeding ticket that you got in 2020.
Yes, I already have my license now. I went and got my license last in August.
Okay. I'm just
So
saying,
I do.
it's still hanging over your head, this one is.
Okay,
Everything is taken care of, it looks like.
okay. I'll have it all paid. I think it's like maybe $792 in total, it sounds like.
Sounds like, yeah,
Yes.
you are all set.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you, Trooper Kane and Corporal Beckham.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Thank you.
I don't know who this is. Is this audio? What about Maurice Muhammad? When did you do him?
I don't see him on the docket, so.
Right.
Muhammad, right courtroom? Are you?
Hello?
Yeah, Mr. Are you in the right courtroom?
This is Maurice Register.
Oh, that sound.
You late. We sent the officer away.
Yes, ma'am. I apologize. That was absolutely my fault. I have no excuse. I was in court evicting someone and I got the times messed up. Is there anything that I can do? Reschedule or anything?
I can see real quick if he has an offer. Unless you have the file, Judge, in your hand.
Maurice, who?
Register.
This is a trial.
Yeah, except the trial officer.
Yeah, I don't see an offer for him, so.
There it is.
Donnell, do you know who's on that LG phone?
I think he's on both devices. I don't know. I'm not sure.
Delay since
Mr. Register, are you on two devices?
No. The
No, ma'am. I'm on my iPhone. I tried to log in earlier today and
Okay.
said that the host kicked me off. So I
Okay,
just called back. I didn't know what else to do.
so that's him on, Maurice Muhammad is register.
Your Honor, how long was the delayed sentence?
3 months.
Mr. Register, are you interested in resolving your ticket today?
Yes, I am.
Donnell, just put us in a breakout room.
What did you say?
No, you close the breakout room, so that's fine. So, Mr. Register, they're offering you a delayed sentence. What that means, if you admit you gave false information to the police, you stay out of trouble, pay the fine, and don't get any more tickets, this matter would be dismissed in 90 days. Is that something you're interested in today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay.
Register ticket number SX 2602713, count 1, supply false information and or ID to police officer. Good morning. Please say your name to the record, starting with Attorney Zeroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Maurice Register.
Say your name, sir.
Maurice Register.
Your Honor, the people have made a recommendation that if my client was to plead guilty, the recommendation would be a delayed sentence. My client's waiving his rights and asked the court to adopt that.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Register.
Turn on your video.
Okay, yes, ma'am. I'm trying to figure out how to do it now. Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Raise your right hand, sir. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
I can't hear you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Zeroki, the attorney, on the record while the court was present. Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes, ma'am.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue your guilty plea?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of September 7, 2016 at 3:23 a.m. On that date and time, we be at or near I-75 and 8 Mile in the city of Detroit.
Is that where? Yes, ma'am.
Did you supply false information and or ID to a police officer?
Yes, ma'am.
You satisfied, Mr. Roki?
I am satisfied, Your Honor.
Of course, also satisfied, we'll proceed to sentencing. This is going to be a 3-month delayed sentence. As indicated, you need to pay a fine of $200. You need to not receive any new citations or tickets, essentially, no further police contact. And after you've done all that, this will be dismissed off your record. The next date you need to appear in court will be January 5th at 8:35.
January 5th at 8:35. Yes, ma'am. Do have a question. I paid $500 to be able to get into the courtroom. Will that be applied to the $200 that I owe or that you're telling me to pay?
Was that a bond?
Yeah.
I guess, yes, ma'am.
If you paid a bond, I indicate apply bond. They will take it out of that.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're all set.
Thank you.
Good luck. You're all set, Mr. Register. I don't know what's with this LG paper. Looks like we're done.
Who's on the LG K40?
He won't connect the audio.
Well, we don't know where he is. We can't check him in. Then it's a capers. Whoever left over.
Just,
Yeah, either that or let's hang up my sign. You see it? You.
you think he see it?
LG K40. You got to call the courtroom. He's probably calling. He probably had to hang up to call.
Yeah. No, he didn't.
He coming back. All right, well, we done.
I have a feeling it's that Dennis, Michael Dennis. Didn't he pop in and pop out?
Yeah. I was going.
Oh, I didn't call the courtroom. Anyway, whatever.
Whatever. All right, well, thank you.
Okay, we're all done.
Yeah. Yeah.
And he-
Wish you were here yesterday.
I heard you guys had a rough morning. I was here in the afternoon.
Oh, you are? Are you here?
Pardon me?
Are you here this afternoon?
No, that was yesterday.
You know who's supposed to be here this afternoon?
Yeah, I can tell. Give me a second to look my email up.
Are we coming back this afternoon?
Well, it depends on who we have. If we have Mr. Roki, it's gonna be really quick, but
Yeah,
You have
I know that-
Janecki. Janecki Nance, you know who she is?
yeah.
yeah. We'll probably just now, because I know Louis is kind of, yesterday was really busy. I think he still needs to play catch up with stuff from yesterday, so we'll just sign up by it.
She's a little long, next.
Yeah. So we'll sign up by it this week. And we'll try it next week.
Yeah, I saw I got you guys 3 days next week, so all in the morning, so.
Oh, okay. All right. Well,
Let
thank
me,
you.
let me just try sending him one chat.
Oh, he's gone again. Maybe,
No, he's not.
He's come back.
I don't know how you go and come back that quick. Oh.
Yeah, did you send him a chat?
Yes.
It looks like it's winter outside. You know, the skies are gray, the trees are blowing, the branches.
It's the first day of fall. But it's gonna be a little warmer, a little bit the next few days, like in the upper 60s.
Yeah. I got some cute winter stuff, so.
At 57.
Fall is my favorite season.
Mine too. But it does get, that seasonal, that darkness does get to me. So I have to really be careful to try to do things.
Yeah, it is depressing. We got one more, but we about to hang up.
Yeah, he's gone.
All right, see.
All right.
Okay.
You can close this